Hello, I'm Anna Bolt and I'm the head teacher at Llyn Primary School, which is a 230 pupil school in Swansea. I've been working on the health and wellbeing area of learning and experience for the past 2.5 years, and I've been really privileged to be at the heart of reform in the curriculum, and particularly in this area, along with a number of teachers across Wales. This COLE is very exciting because health and wellbeing is the key enabler which helps us to understand how we feel about our own lives and about how we feel about ourselves. Combining the physical, mental, emotional and relational aspects of health and wellbeing help us to understand life better, and it's fundamental to our life chances. Schools will be able to plan their own provision to meet the needs of their own pupils and to develop opportunities for them to learn through authentic experiences and authentic context for learning. They'll develop an understanding of how these aspects are all interconnected to to contribute to a positive state of well-being. As leaders and teachers in schools, we know that this area of learning will enable children to develop the skills, knowledge, attitudes and values that they'll need to lead productive, healthy lives in an ever-changing world.